A managed service provider, or MSP, is an important reseller channel for cloud resources, both to cloud service providers, such as AWS, and to end users, such as enterprises or small and medium businesses. An MSP sells different kinds of cloud instances, such as on-demand, reserved, and spot instances to end users. The more cloud instances an MSP sells, the more revenue it gains. However, there are 5 challenges that confine the revenue growth for an MSP. First, flexible on-demand instances account for a large number of sales, but with a low commission for every on-demand instance it sells. Next, reserved instances with a 30% commission are more attractive for an MSP, and at the same time with lower costs to end users. However, end users need to be convinced to make a commitment to a consistent usage. Also, the balance of maximizing both the revenue for an MSP and the cost savings for its end users is difficult to achieve without the help of dedicated professionals. In addition, an MSP should discover and justify the need for on-premises data center migration to cloud opportunities. And finally, an MSP should have a strong strategy against pure spot instances competition. It is clear that an MSP needs a tool to help it formulate the sales strategy to stand out in the market. This tool needs to identify running applications and know which instance type fits them. The tool also needs to forecast the application workloads and resource requirements, so that MSP can demonstrate to its end users the right number of reserved, spot, and on-demand instances, which maximizes the cost savings for the end users, and at the same time satisfies resource needs for applications. The end result also benefits MSP with higher revenue because of the higher commission rate for reserved instances. Since the cost savings are obvious, it further creates upsell opportunities for MSP to persuade end users to purchase more cloud services, resulting in more MSP revenue. ProphetStor's Federator.ai is the tool MSP needs for this purpose. Federator.ai is an AI and machine learning-based solution. It integrates with the existing monitoring services and adds values to the collected operation metadata to proactively resolve operation resource issues before they become problems. Once Federator.ai is installed, its actionable intelligence not only benefits operation for the end user, but also helps formulate sales strategies for MSP, making it a win-win solution for both. ProphetStor MSP Operation Recommender is a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet that works directly with Federator's Open API. The tables and charts it provides are extracted from the analysis and predictions for end-user cluster workload, so that an MSP can benefit from its cost-saving recommendations. Let's take a closer look at the MSP Operation Recommender. Enter connection information and other parameters in the settings of the Excel spreadsheet to make a connection to the Federator.ai and retrieve recommendations and cost savings analysis. The results will be displayed on 3 separate spreadsheets, including current configuration that displays the past and predicted CPU and memory usage of the cluster, and the number of cluster nodes for the previous 12 months and the next 12 months. Pivot analysis. This page displays customer cost and MSP revenue comparisons. MSP uses this to decide how many reserved instances should be recommended for a win-win scenario. And cost savings calculator. This page demonstrates the top 3 optimal recommended numbers of reserved instances deployed for the next 12 months, and the potential cost savings in detail. With the help of Federator.ai, an MSP not only could formulate its convincing sales strategy for reserved instance to achieve its revenue growth and cost optimization for its end user, but could also offer value-added consulting services to get upsell opportunities and gain customer loyalty. Please visit our website, request a free version of Federator.ai today. and see how Federator.ai can help your Kubernetes deployment.